Non-return flap valve. Installation demonstration. Liquid inlet pipe. Non-return flap valve. Stainless steel pipe clamp. First, put the stainless steel pipe clamp into one end of the liquid inlet pipe. Then insert the thin end of the non-return flap valve into the liquid inlet pipe and insert it firmly. Then tighten the clamp screws. It is better to tighten with a 10 mm Alban end wrench. Until now the installation finish. Elbow installation demonstration. Prepare the elbow, clamp and silicone pad first. Place the quick-release silicone pad on the quick-release connector. Align and fix it with the groove. Then align the elbow quick connector with the silicone pad. Align, fix and hold it in place with your hands. Then wrap the quick installation clamp around the adapter and tighten it firmly. Until now the installation finish. Liquid inlet pipe installation demonstration. First put the clamp on one end of the liquid inlet pipe. And then put the liquid inlet pipe directly into the elbow pagoda shape connector. Then tighten the clamp screws and it is better to tighten with a 10 mm Alban end wrench. Until now the installation finish. Liquid inlet pipe angle adjustment. First loosen the clamp screw. Then rotate it to the appropriate angle as needed and tighten the clamp. Hopper installation demonstration. Prepare the hopper, clamp and silicone pad first. Place the quick-release silicone pad on the quick-release connector. Align and fix it with the groove. Then align the hopper quick connector with the silicone pad. Align, fix and place it firmly. Then wrap the quick installation clamp around the adapter and tighten it firmly. Until now the installation finish. Height adjustment. Adjust the height by rotating the upper handle. Rotate counterclockwise to decrease the height. And rotate clockwise to increase the height. Height decrease demonstration. Height increase demonstration. Power and sockets introduction. Power switch. Power cord socket. Conveyor belt connector. Photoelectric switch. Foot switch connectors. Power cord installation and startup. Take out the power cord and find the 3-pin plug. Align the 3-pin socket and insert it into the socket. Plug the other end of the power plug into the socket. Turn on the power switch to start the machine. Photoelectric and foot switch installation. On the far right side of the back of the machine are the photoelectric and foot switch connectors. Unscrew the dust cover counterclockwise. Align the connection plugs of the photoelectrics and foot with the slots of the connectors. The installation finished. Photoelectrics switch, sensing distance adjustment. First find the adjustment knob. You can adjust the sensing distance by turning this knob. Clockwise rotation lengthens the detection distance. Counterclockwise rotation shortens the detection distance. Bracket photoelectrics switch installation. Take out the photoelectrics switch. Turn the upper nut counterclockwise. Remove the upper nut and upper gasket. Insert the photoelectrics switch into the bracket. After finding suitable position, insert the gasket into the switch, then tighten the nut clockwise. The installation finished. Base bracket photoelectrics switch installation. First remove the base bracket. Turn the Torx handle screw counterclockwise and remove brackets and pad. Take out the photoelectric sensor switch. Turn the upper nut counterclockwise. Remove the nuts and two washers. Then turn the lower nut clockwise and screw it to the bottom of the thread. Take out the pad. Insert the photoelectric sensor switch into the empty space of the pad. Tighten the nut. Just remove the clockwise to tighten the photoelectric switch. Note: the gasket taken out at this time will no longer be used. Please keep it. Align the fixing holes of the pad with the holes of the machine body. The base has 3 holes. The bracket can be fixed on different hole positions according to needs. When installing, please note that the fixing hole should be on the right side of the pad. Finally, put the bracket on. Tighten it clockwise with the Torx handle screw. The installation finished. Conveyor belt connector installation. In the middle of the back of the machine is the conveyor belt connector. Unscrew the dust cover counterclockwise. Align the connection plugs of the conveyor belt with the slots of the connectors. Insert them and tighten the anti-separation nuts. The installation finished. Filling preparation and liquid introduction. After the machine is assembled, the liquid introduction work can be started before filling. First, put the liquid inlet pipe into the filling liquid. Then use a syringe to draw 20 ml to 40 ml of filled liquid. Place a bottle or container under the liquid outlet to prevent dripping. Remove the liquid inlet pipe in advance. Then inject liquid from the quick connector on the pump. Then install the liquid inlet pipe. For this installation method, please refer to elbow installation demonstration. Turn on the power switch. Enter the main interface. Click to open the manual interface. Click forward button. At this point, the machine starts running. The device starts pumping liquid. Wait for the liquid to come up. After the liquid introduction is completed, press Stop button. The equipment stops working and the liquid introduction is completed. Note: if the speed of liquid introduction and gear operation runs very slowly, you can enter the Run Set column. Find the speed setting. Click to enter, and set the speed to 100. Return to the manual interface and click Forward button. At this time, the liquid introduction speed will become faster. The speed in manual mode is synchronized with the speed in Run Set column. Different liquid introduction speeds can be adjusted according to needs. Calibration demonstration. This function is the filling accuracy calibration, mainly for filling with quantitative requirements. Calibration is required before changing the filling data every time so that the filling can be more accurate. Calibrate as much as you feel. The principle of calibration is that we need to give the machine several values and let the machine adjust itself through the values. Preparation before calibration. Before calibration, you need to prepare a high-precision electronic scale and an empty bottle. Place the empty bottle on the electronic scale. Press the tare button to remove the weight of the bottle. And then place the prepared empty bottle at the liquid outlet below. Setting introduction. Click Calibration button to enter the calibration setting interface. The calibration interface has 3 values: Set, Calibration and Speed button. Set is the weight value we need to fill. Calibration is the actual liquid output. Speed refers to the speed of liquid. Calibration demonstration. For example, filling 25 grams, the liquid discharge speed is 30. We calibrate the 25 grams weight value at this speed. First, we enter the weight value we need to fill in the setting column 25 grams. Then enter the filling speed 30. Click Start button at this time. The device starts and discharges liquid. We take this liquid output to an electronic scale and weigh the actual liquid output. It can be seen that the actual liquid output this time is 27.8 gram. At this time, we press the tare button again to remove the weight of the bottle and the liquid to prepare for the next weighing. We place the bottle again under the outlet. Then enter the actual liquid output of 27.8 gram just now into the calibration column. Then click the Confirm button. At this time, click the Start button again to perform the second calibration. The device starts up again and discharges liquid. We again took the liquid out on an electronic scale and weighed the actual amount of liquid output. It can be seen that the actual liquid output this time is 23.4 gram. At this time, we press the tare button again to remove the bottle and liquid output weight in preparation for the next weighing. We place the bottle again under the outlet. Then enter the actual liquid output of 23.4 gram just now into the calibration column. Then click the Confirm button. At this time, click the Start button again to perform the third calibration. The device starts up again and discharges liquid. We again took the liquid out on an electronic scale and weighed the actual amount of liquid output. It can be seen that the actual liquid output this time is 25.6 gram. At this time, we press the tare button again to remove the bottle and liquid output weight in preparation for the next weighing. We place the bottle again under the outlet. Then enter the actual liquid output of 25.6 gram just now into the calibration column. Then click the Confirm button. At this time, click the Start button again to perform the fourth calibration. The device starts up again and discharges liquid. We again took the liquid out on an electronic scale and weighed the actual amount of liquid output. It can be seen that the actual liquid output this time is 25.05 gram. This weight is very close to 25 gram and very accurate. This means the calibration is successful and filling can begin. Automatic operation mode introduction. Automatic operation is suitable for filling fixed quantities. Setting introduction. Click Auto button to enter the Auto mode interface. There are 4 values that can be set in this mode: weight, interval, speed, count. Weight refers to the liquid output value of the filling. Interval refers to the interval time from the completion of this filling to the start of the next filling. Speed refers to the speed of liquid discharge. Count refers to the number of fillings this time. Setup demonstration. For example, weight is set to 50 grams. Interval is set to 1 second. Speed is set to 80. And count is set to 5. Click the weight input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 50 and click OK to set up successfully. Click the interval input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 1 and click OK to set up successfully. Click the speed input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 80 and click OK to set up successfully. Click the count input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 5 and click OK to set up successfully. Filling demonstration. Click Start and filling will begin. The value set in the count column will be displayed in the form of a countdown. When the value becomes 0, the machine stops running and the filling finish. Liquid discharge display. Operating modes. Introduction. In running mode, it can be used with photoelectric switches, foot switches and conveyor belts. Setting introduction. Click Run button to enter the Run mode interface. There are two values can be set in this mode, weight and speed. Weight refers to the liquid output value of the filling. Speed refers to the speed of liquid. Setup demonstration. For example, weight is set to hectogram. Speed is set to 50. Click the weight input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 100 and click OK to set up successfully. Click the speed input box to enter the digital interface. Enter 50 and click OK to set up successfully. Foot control filling. First click Start button. Then the Start button will turn green, but the machine won't run yet. Place the bottle under the outlet. It will run only when the foot pedal is started. Photoelectric control filling. First click Start button. Then the Start button will turn green, but the machine won't run yet. Place the bottle at the photoelectric sensor. When the photoelectric switch senses the bottle, it will run. Conveyor belt filling. Conveyor belt filling needs to be equipped with photoelectric switch. Click Start. The conveyor belt will run when the photoelectric sensor senses the bottle, and the conveyor belt will stop. The machine starts filling. After filling, the conveyor belt will start again. When the next bottle is sensed, it will stop and fill again. Repeat the above steps in this way. If the conveyor belt speed is too fast after startup, you can click Conveyor Belt to enter the Conveyor Belt Speed Adjustment interface. Slide left and right to adjust conveyor belt speed. Note: in photoelectric switch mode, the photoelectric sensing distance needs to be adjusted properly. For adjustment methods, please refer to photoelectric switch distance adjustment demonstration. Reverse time adjustment. Reverse means that the gear will have a reversal effect when filling stops, also known as suckback function. The main function is to intercept liquid flow and prevent dripping. When the filling flow interception is not ideal or dripping occurs during filling, this can be solved by adjusting the reversal time. Adjustment method. Click Set button. Then click Parameter Set button to find the reverse time setting column. Then click to enter the adjusted value. The unit of this value is milliseconds. A small amount of increase or decrease can be made according to the actual situation.